Hello and warm welcome to all of you. Today I am here with a revision of Civic chapter number 6, Understanding our Criminal Justice System. Dear students, in this chapter we had discussed the role of the key players in the criminal justice system. There are 4 key players in our criminal justice system. Number 1, the police. Number 2, the public prosecutor. Number 3, the defense lawyer. And number 4, the judge. First, we will see the role of police. The main function of the police to investigate any complaint about the commission of crime. Whenever any person go to police station to register the complaint, after the registration of complaint, police begin their investigation about the commission of crime. At the time of investigation, police record statements of witnesses and collect different evidences of the crime. After investigation, police form an opinion and file charge sheet in the court if they think accused person is guilty. Police, after investigation, they form an opinion. If they think the accused person is guilty, they file a charge sheet in the court. But here you have to keep in mind one thing: it is not the police who decide whether the person is guilty or innocent. It is the duty of the judge to decide the person is guilty or innocent. The police investigation always have to be conducted in accordance with the law and with full respect of human rights. At the time of investigation, it is responsibility of police to investigate about the crime in accordance with the law and even with the full respect of human rights. If police think person is guilty, they arrest the person and file charge sheet in court. Every arrested person has following fundamental right is for Article 22 of the Constitution of our country. Number 1, the right to be informed at the time of arrest of the crime for which the person is being arrested. Means they have to inform the reason why the person is arrested by the police. Number 2, right to be presented before magistrate within 24 hours of arrest. When police arrest any person, it is the duty of the police to present the person before the magistrate within 24 hours of the arrest of the person. Number 3, right not to be ill-treated or tortured during arrest or custody. Police not allowed to torture or not allowed to ill-treat the arrested person at the time of arrest or even in custody. Number 4, confession made in police custody cannot be used as evidence against the accused. In police custody, if accused person made a confession of crime, but this confession made in police custody cannot use as evidence in the court. Police cannot use this as evidence in the court. A boy under 15 years of age and women cannot be called to the police station only for questioning. Boy under 15 years of age and women, police cannot call them in police station only for the questioning. So this is the role played by police in our criminal justice system. Number 2, the public prosecutor. The public prosecutor begins his work once the police has conducted the investigation and filed a charge sheet in the court. When police completed the investigation about the commission of the crime and police filed charge sheet against the accused person in court, the public prosecutor start his work. The prosecutor perform his duty impartially and present the full complete facts, witness and evidence before the court to decide the case. Now, what the role played by public prosecutor in court? Public prosecutor perform his duty impartially. Neutrally, he perform his duty. And even public prosecutor present full and complete information, complete facts of the crime, witnesses and evidences before the court to decide the case. He provide full information, statement of witnesses and evidences of the crime before the court to decide the case. So dear students, this is the role of public prosecutor in our criminal justice system. Now we will see the role of defense lawyer in our criminal justice system. The role of defense lawyer is to be an advocate, defend accused, doing everything within the law to clear all the charges of crime against the accused person. It is defense lawyer who advocate, who defend the accused person in court. It is the defense lawyer who do everything within the law to clear all the charges of the crime against accused person. The defense lawyer try to protect the interests of the accused person in court by defending him against the charges of crime. It is defense lawyer who try to protect the interests of accused person by defending him against the charges of the crime, by providing evidences in the favor of accused person, by cross-examining the witnesses presented by public prosecution, this way defense lawyer try to protect the interests of accused person in the court. By providing evidences and cross-examining the witnesses of public prosecutor, defense lawyer try to prove the accused person is not guilty against accused person is not guilty in charges of crime against him or her. So this is the role of defense lawyer in our criminal justice system. Finally, the role of judge in our criminal justice system. The judge hears all the witnesses and any other evidence presented by the prosecution and the defense. It is the duty of the judge to hear all the witnesses and other evidences presented by the public prosecutor as well as defense lawyer in the court at the time of hearing of the case. Then after, judge decide the person is guilty or innocent on the basis of evidence and in accordance with the law. It is the duty of the judge to decide whether the person is guilty or innocent on the basis of evidences and in accordance with the law. Whatever evidence is presented by public prosecutor and defense lawyer, judge examine all these evidences and decide whether the accused person is guilty or not. He may send person to jail or impose a fine or both, depending on what the law prescribes. It is the judge who send the person to jail or impose a fine or both, and all these depend on what the law is prescribing. So at the end of the case, at the end of the hearing, it is the judge who pronounced, who declared the final judgment of the case. So dear students, the police, the public prosecutor, the defense lawyer and the judge, these are the four key players, important players in our criminal justice system. With this, I would like to conclude my today's lecture. Inshallah, we will meet again very soon. Thank you very much.